Noah's a little bit heavier. Oh. Oh.
You can help with your feet, Noah.
Noah's heavy.
Noah's not heavy. Noah's just heavier.
Heavier. He's a bigger boy. He's got more mass.
That's your, more muscles. Woo!
Okay, let's go upstairs. Gonna try again. That's right. Use Noah's shoulders to get up. Okay, Noah, let's go upstairs.
Noah, can you say bye-bye?
Okay.
Come on, Noah.
Say bye. Okay, you do it. That's right. Take off the strap. That's right. And then we put our guitar back on the ground. Okay. Let's go upstairs. Take a bath.
Noah, are you going to say bye-bye? Noah's not going to say bye-bye.
Oops.
Daddy, you say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay. Now it's Adam's turn. Adam, can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Now say it to the camera.
Bye-bye.
Okay. What else are you going to say?